Only fundamentals of electrical machine are covered in the video in the form of a quiz. Can you use an electrical appliance manufactured in USA as it is in India? Supply voltage in USA is 110 volts. Electrical appliances in USA are designed for 110 volts. In India, supply voltage is 220 volt. Hence, appliance will damage. Suitable adapter is required with appliance. Capacitive current leads or lags applied voltage. Voltage source produces capacitive current in the capacitor. Charges Q are accumulated on the metallic plates of a capacitor. Voltage V is equal to Q by C, where Q is charge and C is capacitance. Thus, voltage is produced after current flows in a capacitor. That is, current leads voltage in a capacitor. How do you convert 6.6 kV electrical machine to 3.3 kV? Suppose 6.6 kV machine has two parallel paths. Let current flowing through the machine is 2I. In order to make the machine suitable for 3.3 kV, parallel paths are increased to 4. Voltage is reduced to half, current is doubled. KVA rating of the machine remains same. What do you understand by polarization index? It is a ratio of IR after application of DC voltage for 10 minutes to IR after application of DC voltage for 1 minute. Recommended value of polarization index is 2.0 for class F insulation. IR increases with time. That is, absorption current decreases with time. What are the possible number of parallel paths in a 4-pole electrical machine? For simplicity, let us consider R phase. Coils of R phase are connected to form a coil group. In the coil group 2, direction of flux changes and hence direction of EMF changes. In a 4-pole machine, 4 coil groups are formed. Let us see how many parallel paths can be formed in a 4-pole machine. One parallel path is made. Total EMF induced is 4E. Induced current is I. Two parallel paths are made. Total EMF induced is 2E. Total current induced is 2I. Four parallel paths are made. Total EMF induced is E. Total current induced is 4I. Thus, number of possible parallel paths are 1, 2 and 4. Number of poles are divisible by number of parallel paths. Rating of AC machine bought in USA increases or decreases in India. KVA rating of the machine is proportional to N, where N is in RPS. RPS is proportional to frequency. Frequency in USA is 60 Hz, whereas in India it is 50 Hz. Thus, rating of machine in India decreases. Moreover, ambient temperature in India is high. Permissible temperature rise in India is low, thus reducing the rating of the machine. Stator coil is short pitched by 20 electrical degrees. What is a pitch factor? Pitch factor is equals to cos 20 by 2 is equals to cos 10 degree. This question normally appears in the tests. Output power P is constant. In overexcited generator, reactive power increases or decreases. Power P is equals to 3 EV sine delta by XS. P is constant. In a grid connected generator, V is constant. XS is also constant. Hence, E sine delta is constant. E can move in a straight line only. In an overexcited generator, E increases, I excess lags behind. I is perpendicular to I excess. It also lags behind. Reactive current increases, thus increasing reactive power. Thermosetting insulation softens or hardens with heat. It hardens with heat. Nowadays, epoxy resin-based insulation system is used, which is thermosetting. In earlier times, bituminous resin-based insulation system was used, which was thermoplastic. Loss of insulation in bituminous-based system was B. Bituminous-based insulation system has become obsolete. What do you understand by resin-rich system? In this system, insulating tape used for taping is rich in resin. Straight portion of the coil is taped with resin-rich tape. When coil is pressed under heat and pressure, excess resin comes out and resin is cured by heat.